Coffee is one of the most industrialized cultivated crops, and for me it's important to show that there is another way, there is another path we can follow and still be economical, viable, but in harmony with nature.
The hope for changing our farming system, restoring the biodiversity, restoring our indigenous trees, they are alive here.
It's end of July now, we're in the middle of the rainforest in Kaffa, and we're here really at the source of coffee. The more diversity we have, the more safe a system is. So you embed the farm in the forest, in an ecosystem that sustains itself. Coffee plants need a certain amount of shade so we can leave our indigenous trees, and that also increases the quality of our coffee. I believe that to get that soul again, we have to acknowledge that we need each other for growth. A human being or communities can only grow in exchange with each other. And we want to make farming cool again. That's why I'm wearing the hat. There's communication in nature, there's a whole network, a nervous system underground. You know, there is really so much happening in nature that we haven't understood or fully discovered yet, but we can somehow sense it.
So keeping this biodiversity is very important for conserving ecosystem.
That's how we aim to produce the best coffee in the world.
Yeah.
Simply it's life. Without forest, without trees, no life will continue. So for me it's life.